Hello everyone, so welcome to the another video of MCQs on different phylums. So today we have Annelida. So what is the main character of the Annelida is that it shows metamerism. What is metamerism? It is a external segmentation of the body by the annuli largely correspond to the internal division by the body. This type of segmentation is called metameric segmentation or metamerism. All the worms present in this phylum, they have this specific character. So they are given space in the Annelida. So this was a brief introduction about the phylum Annelida. So let's go to the questions. First, metamerism is a characteristic of phylum Porifera, Platyhelminthes, Annelida or Mollusca. So metamerism is a characteristic of the phylum Annelida. Second, a post-anal tail is absent in snake, earthworm, rabbit or lizard. So post-anal tail, that is presence of tail behind the anus. It is absent in earthworm. Earthworm has anus as its last posterior part. So it's earthworm. Question number 3. Which of the following belongs to the phylum Annelida? Nereis, octopus, crab or ant? So the answer for this is Nereis. We all know Nereis is a worm which shows metamerism. So Nereis. Fourth, a succutorial mouth is found in Ascaris, Taenia, earthworm or leech. So we know leech has the succutorial mouth. So answer number 4, leech. Fifth, which is the common between leech, centipede and earthworm? Hermaphroditism, ventral nerve cord, absence of legs or Malpighian tubules. So the answer for this is ventral nerve cord. Fourth, famous Indian zoologist who wrote a memoir upon Metaphor posthuma. Options are J.C. Bose, second Bhatia M.L., third Bhal K.N., fourth Beni Prasad. So the answer for this is Bhal K.N. Seventh, in earthworm, the genital papillae occur in segments 16th and 17th, 16th and 18th, 17th and 18th, 17th and 19th. So if we study about the external features about the internal features of the earthworm, so we will get to know after the dissection that the genital papillae occur in the segment 17th and 19th. So the answer is 17 and 19. 8th, in earthworm, the functions of collagogen cell is reproduction, digestion, excretion or regeneration. So the collagogen cells help in the excretion in earthworm. So the answer is 3 option, excretion. 9th, a role of tiflosol in earthworm is emulsify food, kill bacteria, increase absorptive area, produce digestive enzymes. So the tiflosol help in the increasing the absorptive area. Tiflosol is present in the intestine of the earthworm and it increases the absorptive area. So 3 option, increase absorptive area. 10th, hemoglobin is found dissolved in blood plasma of earthworm, cockroach, rabbit or frog. So the answer is earthworm. 11. The blood pigment of earthworm is hemocyanin, hemoglobin, hemin or cyanin. So the answer for this is hemoglobin. Next we have question number 12. Blood is red but there are no red blood cells in earthworm, cockroach, bedbug or rabbit. So we have earlier discussed the same type of question. So the answer is earthworm. 13th, in Metaphor, the 3 kinds of nephridia are distributed as follows. First, all segments except except first to fourth and 10th to 14th segment. Second, all segments except first three segments. 3. Meganephridia in precliteral segment and micronephridia in postcliteral segment. Fourth, micronephridia in all segments, meganephridia in clitoral and postcliteral regions. So the answer for this is all segments except first three segments. 14th, the earthworm in earthworm the testes are larger than ovaries. Ovaries are larger than testes. Both are equal. Right testis larger than ovary. So the answer for this is ovaries are larger than testes. 15th, an annelid in which internal fertilization occur. Neanthes, Eunice, Herodinaria or Polygodius. So the answer for this is Herodinaria. The internal fertilization only occurs in Herodinaria. 16th, a locomotion occurs in earthworm through seta, parapodia, seta and circular muscle, setae, circular and longitudinal muscles. So the answer for this is option number 4, setae, circular and longitudinal muscles. 17th, blood glands of metaphor are located in which segments? First option 1, 2 and 3. Second 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 10, 11 and 12. So the answer for this is 4, 5 and 6 in 4th segment, 5th segment and the 6th segment. 18th, which is not a feature of annelids? Metameric segmentation, nephridia, pseudocoelom or clitellum. So the answer for this is pseudocoelom. Metameric segmentation is the main character of the annelids. Nephridia is present for the excretion. Pseudocoelom is absent. They have zygoscele, which is also divided by the septas, forming different compartments. So pseudocoelom or pseudocele is absent or not a feature of annelids. 19th, Colragogen cells resemble the following in functions: colored cells, flame cells, plasma cells or mesophyll cells. So the answer for this is flame cells, as they both help in the excretion. 20. Spermatheca in earthworm is for producing the sperms, for storage of sperms obtained from male earthworm during copulation and used in future. Third option is both 1 and 2. Fourth or none of these. So the answer for this is for the storage of sperm obtained from male earthworm during copulation and used in future. As we know, the spermatheca are present inside the female worm, so they help in the storage of the sperms. So option 2. 21. Leech secrete which of the following anticoagulant? Herodin, heparin, serotonin or histamine. So we all know leech secrete herodin. So this is the correct answer. That's all for the phylum Annelids. Thank you.